Inside we've got the half wall up, the lights, a bit more painting to do, some more trim to finish out, and up the stairs. Got the live edge on top of the bookcase, some more accent pieces to paint. There's all the trim that will be up shortly. Dining room. And we get all the trim up and around doors at least. And the kitchen. Sneak peek at some of the countertops. Got a working stove. Dishwasher is ready to be plugged in. Working fridge. Some trim pieces to come. And in the hallway we've got all the door trim up and ready. It's just room. In the bathroom, we're just missing the mirror. Got the tub all scrubbed. New shower head, new faucet pieces. Finishing touches really in here. Bell rod, mirror, all that kind of stuff. Office, we're starting to get trim put up in here as well. Got trim up around the door. In here, we've been staging the countertops. Putting trim in shortly. Starting to put trim, not the trim around all the doors. Really just the floor trim that still needs to be finished down here. Other bathroom, also got the tub all scrubbed, new shower head, new tub drain. Just waiting on pretty much the mirror and some touch-up painting and towel rods. Windowsill, that type of stuff. Going downstairs, getting over here last. Trim going up down here too. The countertop for the laundry room sink, washer dryer, a little bit of cabinets. Put them together, just need to finish out trim, floor, and a little bit around the top ceiling because we did new drywall in here. This room, we've got the lights all in. Looks beautiful, just gotta finish out with trim as well. Starting to get some of that. Get those lights to sit flush. And down to the end, that book nook is looking amazing. I'm gonna just finish the doors and get hinges. This bathroom, still need to grout and install the door, but we've got the toilet and the vanity progressing. Toilet works and vanity will be picked up probably tomorrow. So missing the mirror and final touches in there. And upper room is where we're staging a lot of the smaller painting projects. Back bedroom. And just waiting on some trim. Going pretty great, and we're down to the final 2 weeks.